Beginner's Guide to Sandbox. Sandbox, also known as Sand, is a blockchain-centered virtual world, a platform that enables users to enjoy an exciting game experience, as well as integrate the advantages of NFT creation, decentralized finance, and blockchain technology, all within one digital space. Now that blockchain is becoming very connected with the gaming industry, an increasing array of platforms is coming on the scene to help you monetize your gaming activities. Sand is one of them. Sandbox allows players to monetize their gaming activities through the exchange's utility token. This virtual world gives people the chance to trade, acquire, and sell digital commodities created on the Ethereum network. Sebastian Borget and Arthur Madrid launched Sandbox in 2011. At this time, the duo realized that the gaming industry offered many opportunities because crypto and blockchain had not become very popular on social media platforms. Therefore, they focused their attention on introducing blockchain to a new market, building a space for gamers to share, develop, and monetize blockchain-centered coins. Partnerships. Sandbox has been involved in more than 50 partnerships, even with Atari, one of the very popular companies in the gaming space. A few of the platform's partners are Matic Network, SBS Game Academy, and CryptoKitties. Matic Network. Matic Network is a blockchain network that offers progressive, rapid, and safe transactions driven by proof-of-stake side chains. They partner with Sandbox's team members to boost transaction time and improve the UI/UX interface of the platform. SBS Game Academy is a video game teaching college in Korea. CryptoKitties is a blockchain-centered video game established on the Ethereum blockchain and built by Dapper Labs, a Canadian studio. Technical infrastructure of the token. Sand is made up of various components. The virtual world features a basic backend operating on the cloud and employs Amazon Web Services in aiding its web frontend. A public cloud storage facility on Amazon is employed to store artists' goods before being subjected to minting. Sandbox takes note of token ownership and allows you to transfer or trade your coins. Apart from that, the platform applies interplanetary file system to keep any related data of assets, so participants are safe from people who want to alter this information without notice. On Sand, you can build digital collectibles known as non-fungible tokens in any representation you desire, post them on the marketplace, and add to games using GameMaker. The IPS protocol joins decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for users to exchange any asset they want. With the aid of NFT, Sandbox provides creators as well as gamers these features: multiple application integration. On the blockchain, you can employ shared assets. Each element in this game can be applied in other games where it is allowed, thus increasing the reach and implementation of the elements while working within a large space. Digital ownership. Every digital coin belongs to you even when the game exits suddenly or you stop playing. On the blockchain, you can tokenize and exchange every item on the protocol. Security. Blockchain is among the very secure technologies currently in the market. You can tokenize digital games and trade them in primary and secondary markets controlled by the blockchain, reducing theft and criminality. Also, with Sandbox, you can create 3D games at zero cost by using human-legible optical scripting tools. By applying the platform's universal render pipeline, it will also work with mobile game versions with time whilst retaining the game's quality. Land in Sandbox. Land in the Sandbox platform is a digital form of real estate. It is a distinct ERC-721 token, and players can purchase lands to create a personalized model of games with asset applying Sandbox's GameMaker tool. Multiple lands can be put together to build an estate. With land, players can make money while playing games. For instance, they can tell players who play their games or visit their lands to pay a fee, get rewarded in Sand by hosting events and content, or probably rent or sell lands personalized to them. In Sandbox, there is an aggregate of 166,464 lands that you can buy with Ether and Sand via public land trades. In the Sandbox Gitbook, you will see a list of verified public sales as well as dates. Otherwise, you can purchase land from NFT exchanges like OpenSea or other participants in the Sandbox marketplace, but they will presumably be more costly compared to the official public sales. Assets. Assets are NFT created by users with the aid of a tool called Vox Edit. They are voxel assets that are later posted on the Sandbox marketplace and changed to NFT so they can be sold. You can apply assets in the game in several ways. They can function as a car, building, an environmental asset, or moving creature. Assets can be placed on the avatar as weapons or clothes. If you're building a game with the GameMaker tool, you can design assets to offer as special gaming experiences. How Sandbox operates. Sandbox is an ever-changing virtual space that consists of user-generated developments. Players can generate and develop their NFT, even virtual collectibles, avatars, and games with the aid of GameMaker and Vox Edit. They can apply it as virtual goods in interacting with others and earn on their NFT by exchanging them on the Sandbox marketplace. Game Maker. With Game Maker, participants can create their games and try their special 3D games on the Sandbox Metaverse. It is a straightforward program that requires zero coding knowledge for you to use it. You can build and arrange various objects and elements, even NFT built with VoxEdit, in a space known as land. For instance, users can place buildings and characters, edit terrains, and gather quests from the resource library of its community, as well as share developed products within this community. VoxEdit. VoxEdit is a user-friendly app that helps players and artists animate, build, and rig their voxel-centered non-fungible tokens. Voxel is a three-dimensional pixel that is similar to Lego blocks. You can edit them swiftly to produce various shapes. For instance, you can build avatar-based items like design animals, weapons, game tools, clothes, greenery, or goods that can be applied in Sandbox. The virtual collectibles can then be taken out and exchanged as NFT on the Sandbox marketplace. Sandbox Marketplace. The marketplace was established in April 2021 and is considered an NFT marketplace where users can exchange assets in the game with Sand, the native digital currency of Sandbox. You can now integrate the assets you bought into Land with Game Maker to build distinct games. How you can purchase Sand. Sand is up for sale on digital asset exchanges. If you decide to use Binance, follow these steps. Sign into your account on Binance, then select Trade at the upper bar to access the Advanced or Classic trading page. I suggest you use Classic. Move to the right corner of your screen, input Sand within the search bar to access a list of Sand trading pairs being provided. For instance, if you want Sand/Bust, you select Sand/Bust to access its trading page. Navigate to the spot area, then type in the sum of Sand you want to purchase. You can choose various order types to purchase Sand. Select Buy Sand to execute this order, and the token bought will reflect in your spot wallet. Benefits and disadvantages of Sandbox. Sandbox has some advantages that set it apart from platforms within its category. Firstly, the decentralized network enables participants to trade conveniently and purchase products in the metaverse. Also, it ensures safe ownership for every collector and player. Besides, every holder of the token can be involved in the management of the network. The Ask Me Anything mechanism is a means through which Sandbox educates its community. Creators can connect all the time on Sandbox through a public social media account. Just like every other gaming platform, Sandbox may have a few disadvantages. Virtual platforms of this nature usually fall victim to data theft, cyber attacks, and other criminal interferences. Laws from the government can impact its ecosystem as well. Most importantly, the project can be given to a third party that is likely to cause failures. The Sandbox blockchain game and how to play it. This is a multiplayer, non-fungible token game that allows participants to build a personalized world using distinctive in-game objects. Sandbox is similar to Minecraft, the most popular game within its genre. For you as a beginner, it is quite expensive to begin playing the Sandbox blockchain game from the onset. You have to invest about $100 based on the Sand and ethereum rate. If you want to buy ethereum, you must handle the transaction via Switcher. You can purchase ethereum in a very simple and swift means with your credit card. On your first order, the platform will not charge any service fee. To earn rewards while playing, you should invest Sand in Land, as this will provide side income. Also, by contributing to the liquidity pool, you earn a percentage of the profit. Sandbox has 4 kinds of stakeholders: company treasure, foundation pool, company reserve, and staking pool, which are all approaches that see to it that value is accrued to the token. Our review was on one of the highly rewarding NFT projects. In summary, Sandbox is developed on the Ethereum blockchain, and the native token of the platform is called Sand. The user-built content platform has no predetermined gaming space. It uses an adjustable approach to personalize the interface with convenient and unpaid tools. At the moment, Sandbox serves just Korean and English-speaking populations, but has a mission to widen its reach as the years go by. Drop all your questions about Sandbox in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer them as fast as I can. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with others. Thanks.